Hello guys, this is Spike, or Zachary. I'm at the Hobbytown raceway, I guess. I'm driving my RC car, and I'm gonna try this on a LiPo, which is a fast battery which has higher voltage. I'm gonna go. Oh, I forgot to turn on my remote. It's not gonna go without the thing being turned on. I forgot. You can turn it off and back on. I forgot to turn on the remote. You told me to turn it off, please, though. Okay, we're good.
And this is about as slow as you can possibly drive this, right, Zach?
Yeah, I'm going as slow as I can for now. I'm gonna go fast on the straightaway though.
Ay. Oh, it's still going.
It does not want to quit. Remember, mine's tough.
Yeah, yours has held together through a lot so far. Just off the track. First time ever on a track, right, Zach?
Yep. Okay, here, I'll let you drive now, but...
Okay.
Caleb, track.
Over there.
Yeah.
Over there. Yeah, flip. Oh, he's trying. He's trying.
It's gonna... Never mind, Caleb. Thank you. So now, Brian is driving. Where is it? There it is. Hey, remember your dirt track? Tell me how to drive it on the dirt. Remember? Remember, use that turn technique. Ooh, nice jump.
Thank you.
I just didn't get on video.
You didn't get it on video?
No, because I was paying attention, but not camera. Don't hit the top. I know you go crazy with the jump, so I don't want you to go full speed on that jump. Beat the grace. It drove on the walls, and I did not see that.
You didn't catch it?
No, again. I'm not a good grandma, man. Hey, do you wanna do a race?
Yeah, I don't mind. Oh, dude, you know he's gonna win, right?
I know.
I'm not from here. It's like my second day.
Can you do it like start over at the starting line where it's right next where you drop it in? Okay. Both stop. Back it up.
You can go ahead if you like.
3, 2, 1, go.
He's a lot faster than I am.
Yet.
Oh!
Drive. They say you're driving. You're beating him. Help him up.
No, I can't get it.
Okay, wait until you.
It's the stock motor. It doesn't do good. Just the battery.
Okay, just drive.
It's tired.
Drive.
Thank you.
And go.
Can't get traction out here.
Oh! Come on!
We're doing 3 laps. Lap 1 goes to him. What's your name?
Freddy.
Lap 1 goes to Freddy. You can keep driving.
No, I'm not gonna keep driving. I'm gonna make it fair.
Yeah, that sounds nice. Just telling you, when you're in a real tournament, they're not gonna be like that, you know.
No, I know that, but it's just one-on-one. We're not going for money.
Thank you.
Nothing.
Yeah, I know. Hey, it was a hug. I call it the car hug. And go.
Crap, that's my fault.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, look, he went through the... And go. Okay.
Sorry.
This is called a cheater. Or for sport. That's a joke.
Wait on the tabletop. Let me line up.
And go. You have to make at least 2 laps out of the 3. Oh wait, Freddy might win. Wait, is Freddy gonna win? Freddy won. Reset for the next race. There you go.
What?
I'm gonna drive. Yeah, I want to try. You don't have to do that yet. Hey, watch out. Wait, I need to tune this real quick. Yeah, I'm not tuning. Wait. I'm trying to tune it right.
Okay. Here's Zach. Never done a single race before for anybody against this guy.
Freddy, that one.
Freddy. Against Freddy. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, don't come off. Oh, nice jump, Zach. Zach is ahead. But I have a feeling that Freddy has been going easy on both of us because I know for a fact that that truck is about 5 times as fast as ours.
I'm barely even close to that.
And he rolled it. He's playing this, right? Because
Yeah, no.
This truck is so much faster.
Okay. Wait, let me line up. Let me line up.
You want to do a straightaway?
Oh!
Sure.
Oh! Well, there we go.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way. I'm not used to these things.
Your camera keeps freezing.
What's that? How much is that at?
It's good. It's good. It's
Okay.
at 7 minutes. Okay, so you're racing to the edge of there. That's the drag race.
To the 2.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh, that did not sound good. Yeah. What car you got there? Stampede? What is it? I can't.
Okay.
Not a Stampede. I'm a. Oh, is that even Traxxas?
Okay.
Did you make an That's a Jado body on what?
Hey, we're not. Hey,
Really?
We're not playing. Ready? We're going for full speed. No playing around.
3, 2, 1, go.
I should have not done that.
Rolls it on the first turn. They both do.
Do the start. Kayla, can you bring them back to the start?
Hey, just to let you guys know, the track's technically closed.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So
because we talked for too long.
we got to get out now.
We no. We will in a little bit. We're gonna go, but he's giving us a pass to come back to do it again for free. Okay, so we can probably tomorrow or on a
Sounds
Saturday,
good.
We can come on if we save it for a Saturday.
Can we just finish
we can be,
Saturday maybe.
We can do a lot.
Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay.
Ready? Set. Go. Oh, Fred.
Oh! Oh, crunched the body. Crunched the body. Were you racing him backwards? No, was he racing you backwards? Because his is so much faster than yours. Well, he's got a LiPo too. He's got a 2S in there. Well, he wins.
Yep.
Okay, no. Don't shut it off. Don't shut it off. I'm doing one more lap.
No.
It's at 9 minutes, 32 seconds.